number 4 in the series. And every once in a while I write happy poems, but anyway, this is how you get me. Sit here in the light with me, folding tired legs atop rock outcrop with mosses underfoot and lichen graffiti casting an unseen spell on this glade. I submit to it. I sit. All is said when all is left unsaid and brought to light. Sage green journal, unopened, balanced on my thigh. A bark-wrapped pencil rolls to the forest bed. With nothing to say, it lands with all the ruckus of an owl's wingbeat. Startling, no. The critters here take no notice. No concerns with me. Out from dark holes they clamber. Out from behind shaded corners they scamper. Sit, dear wounds, with me. Here, upon this stone, warmed by midday sun, feel the forest come to light. Be together in the light. Nothing to speak. Nothing to write. In time, we may share a story, we may walk, we may find our own paths leading out from the forest's sheltering canopy, out from the forest's supportive understory. In time, but now, let us sit in the light for a spell.